Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2010 Chevy Impala. Stock number is A7683A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console folds up and becomes a third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a spoiler on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, as well as audio controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player, and your dual climate controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.